Last year, I've had my favorite DIY project. Those were kiss mark hoodies. Now you can see how those kiss marks look now after a year. And before we dive into this project, hi, my name is Rina, and please subscribe to the channel because it really helps me to create more for you. Basically, all you need is plain hoodie and textile paints. I think few shades of red will be better than just one shade, and it will look much better, believe me. But you don't even need to buy all colors, you just need white, red, I used a little bit of blue for mixing, maybe brown, and black if you want to add some letters or whatever you want. Remove lipstick or lip gloss from your lips, apply color on your lips, and start kissing hoodie. I reapplied color after 3-4 kisses, and I highly recommend you to have bolder colors because after washing, it may fade a little bit. Before I started this actual kissing process, I thought I'll be doing 2 matching hoodies, but to be honest, when I started, I felt so tired out of it because it took really more time than I thought, and my lips were really tired after this. But surprise surprise, I've started with a wrong size, so I had to create second hoodie anyways. But good part, now we have matching hoodies. After color dries, you'll need to iron it. I used thin towel to iron. Of course, I had my little helper with me too. As I already promised you, I wanted to create a little bit more, so I've decided to put there something cute and motivational. So yeah, I used plotter to cut the one word. Here I've decided to kiss it too because it felt like a nice idea, and by the way, I really loved how it went out. Did a little correction with brush and paint, and here is what I've got after. I also got myself textile markers, but before using them, I've decided to try to write something on a piece of paper because you need to find what works better for you, markers or just paints with brush. And by the way, you can save on markers because you have brush and paint. So I've decided to put something on sleeve because I wanted to like to our person to see nice words every time when he or she takes a look on hoodie. How much did I spend for this Valentine's Day gift? Well, hoodies were under 20 euros. I also ordered textile paints. I also got myself fabric markers. Overall, it costed me less than 40 euros for a gift. And of course, a little bit of my skills.